This is our website tentacle.sonoro.com. Here we log in with the email and password. Once you log in, if you log in with the admin panel, it directly jump to the report page. If you log in with the manager panel, then also it jump to the report page. You can go back to the campaign page and you can create a campaign. What is a campaign? Campaign means a database. Based on a requirement, we can create a campaign. Here is a new button to create a new campaign. Existing campaign can be seen over here. Just open it out. Under the campaign you can see the member, prospect and pending call. The member represent how many users should be part of this campaign. Based on your requirement you can add the user or you can remove the user, it up to you. Then there is an option add prospect browse, where you can see the list of data which is already added. If you want to add some new data, you can just simply click on add new for adding a single entry. If you want to import some data, there is an option prospect import. Through that you can import Excel file. That Excel file can be converted in a CSV format and upload it out. But just choose the Excel file, upload it out. Once you upload, there is a mapping stage, it appear like that. Then you have to map the data based on the title. Okay, so here the multiple field is already there, like customer name, so we use a full name for it. If it's serial number, the serial number, if there is no field for serial number, if you need that field in the database should be created, so you have to use other and type field name whatever you need and just import the data. If you map the data properly, all the data you have to map whatever the data you need. Based on that you can map the data. Right now I need only customer number and the serial number, so I just pick it out that field only and just import it out. Once I click on import, data start importing. One by one new entry has been created in the system. So similarly you can upload the data. There is a two more method. Through API also we can add the data. Through email also we can add the data. Email integration also there. Jack Jasdar Suleka India Mart, they receive a mail from a customer and that mail can be forwarded to Tentacle ID and then it process. So similarly data can be added in four way: add new, import and email and API. So once right now you can see some data has been added and I just refresh the page so you can see it. Yeah, so you can see 460 records has been created, 2 has been updated, 25 is in error. So why 25 in error? Once you click on it you can see the contact data invalid. So I have mentioned some wrong number, that's why then it goes to the error section. So like some customer number is wrong digit, 11 digit, some number is wrong, so that's why it goes to the error section. And to update it means the data is already there in the system database and we try to upload the data again, so it shows that it update the previous entry, not create a new one. So total actual cases is 460. So that all has been added in the system database. You can access that by clicking the button. Whenever whatever the field you have mentioned, all these available over here, and you can make a call by clicking call now or simply click on it, call it out. If you want to make a call one by one, just go to the pending call and then start calling. You can see one by one calling. Here's a filter button as well. You can filter the data, or else you don't want to filter, just start calling. You can see the list of data with the customer name, whatever the detail we have mentioned, all the detail is there. When you have to make a call, just simply click on the green button. It start initiating a call. The call is initiated, you have spoken with the customer. Then you can update the remark like callback, interested, whatever the result, you can mention it out. The result can be customized based on the requirement. We have custom option as well. We can choose like date and calendar, like I want to call on a 10:30. So that option is there, you can choose and just save it out. So while saving, there is an option, a form can be created, like that collection we have created. So that type of question answer can be created based on the requirement. So similarly question answer form can be created. Below that there is the option request information. You can send a mail to the customer directly. Just need to select the template, which template you want to send. The body part subject is selected. Need to put it out the email ID only. Once you put it out email ID, directly mail gets sent to the customer. Just need to save it out. You go to the next call. So there is one additional option, we can send SMS as well. If you have any SMS gateway, we can link with the SMS gateway. Consider I have two SMS. Like if I select address, so one address message gets sent to the customer. When I select amount, if I select amount and just save it out, the amount detail SMS can be sent to the customer. So that can be configured back through backend. There is an option in campaign rules. We can create a rule whatever we need based on that. Right now we can see send SMS. That SMS gets sent from make my SMS. Similarly, we can create a SMS gateway for you. Whatever the SMS gateway we can configure over here. The disposition part can be customized, like you can create a new, you can delete any disposition whichever you not need, or you can rename it out as well by clicking edit. There is a email template, you can add a template over here, or you can add a form means question answer. Based on the requirement, we can add a new form by clicking on it, and you can type the form name, whatever the field name, field name, and what type, like you want to type that data or a number field you want to give a drop down option. That all the option is there. By selecting, you can give option like I want the radio button, and first choice, enter second choice, and just save it out like that. First choice, enter second choice. Similarly, you can create a number of field whatever you need and just save it out. It gets saved. So now we move to the next, follow-up. Here you can see the list of follow-up is available for making a call. By clicking on it, you can make a call, or else you can just simply see the detail over here. And in transaction, you can see the list of history. Whenever you make a call, all the call history is there, or some inquiry is there coming from any particular source, that also can be added in the system. So the down arrow represent inbound inquiry, up arrow represent outbound call. So just simply click on it and you can just simply see the detail, and just if you want to play the recording, just simply click on it and start playing the recording whatever the conversation has been done with the customer. It there. So right now this is unanswered call, means it is not get connected. If the call is get connected, there is a recording with the audio, like answer status is there. So right now just play this answer one. So the recording is purely depend upon your Android phone, whichever Android phone you are using. Okay, so that type of recording is there based on the Android phone. Now move to the report section. In this report, you can see all the data, how many data has been added, out of which how many are attempted. You can see the range wise data, like 30 days records. I can just show it to you. So 30 days I have added 2000 entry. Out of 2000, 43 has been attempted. Still total customer is attempted as 60. Okay, so the new customer is 43. 60 is total number account, fresh plus new, and total number of call is 113. 113 means sometime what happened, we call a customer multiple time, so multiple time entry is there, and you can see the result, how many are interested, how many are demo complete. Based on the requirement, the disposition can be customized and that can be seen. So once you click on a detail, you can see the agent wise detail with the agent name and detail, how many call they have made, what is the detail. You can download a figure as well. If you want a different report, quality report, so there we have option call quality. If you by campaign, if you click on it, you can see number of call done by the agent. You can see the representation 0 second, 1 to 10 second. You can select deselect the user and just check it out how many are connected call, like that. Okay, so all color represent a particular call duration on this particular time period. Below that you can see the average duration. Below that, total call duration. Total means how much total time they are spending. Like the Samir agent and spending 6 hours. So once you click on it, you can see the 6 hour detail. Like out of 6 minutes is there. So is spending from sales demo and so 31 second for renewal. Similarly, you can see that detail. We have by hour reporting as well. And this by hour reporting, you can see one by one call record. Like in this particular time period, how many call has been done by the agent, that is also there. You can just choose any date range, which date range you want to see the data. And the similarly you can see from that particular time period, from 1 to 11 to 12, 12 to 13, how many call has been done. You can see that detail. And last report is workload report. Here you can see that how many records has been added, how many are when called, how many are open, close, not attempted, future follow-up, all is there. So if you see the one case, consider we have given 8 cases to Sachin ID. Out of 5 has been attempted by Sachin, 3 are not attempted by them. So out of 5, 3 are open cases and 2 are closed cases. 3 open cases can be further bifurcation as overdue, future and today. Overdue represent miss follow-up. Future means you have to call tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Today represent today calls only. That's it.